Rain is precious at the best of times. You might have heard some weird rains like frog rain, toad rain, fish rain, but I am sure you have never heard rain of diamonds. Yes, you heard right. Rain of diamonds. Scientists believe that on Jupiter and Saturn, it rains diamonds. Lightning storms turn methane into soot carbon, which as it falls hardens into chunks of graphite and then diamond. They would be big enough to put on a ring, although of course they would be uncut. Says Dr. Kevin Baines, of the NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. The bottom line is that 1,000 tons of diamonds a year are being created on Saturn. Diamonds aren't forever on Saturn and Jupiter because of their hot core which melted down. Dolphins. Dolphins are believed to be very intelligent animals on the Earth. The very interesting fact about dolphins is that they sing to their unborn calves in the womb. Scientists have found mother dolphins teach their babies signature whistles before they are born. Researchers from the University of Southern Mississippi observed mother dolphins performing a signature whistle for the baby before the birth and up to 2 weeks after the birth. Napa Power. It is on the island of Papa Westray in Orkney, Scotland is a Neolithic farmstead which may be the oldest preserved stone house in Northern Europe. Radiocarbon dating shows that it was occupied from 3700 BC to 2800 BC. The farmstead consists of 2 adjacent rounded rectangular thick-walled buildings with very low doorways facing the sea. Great Barrier Reef. It is the world's largest coral reef system composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands stretching for over 2,300 kilometers. The reef is located in the Coral Sea, off the coast of Queensland, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef can be seen from outer space and is the world's biggest single structure made by living organisms. The Zhangye National Geopark. It is located in Sunan and Linz counties within the prefecture-level city of Zhangye, in Gansu, China. It covers an area of 322 square kilometers. Known for its colorful rock formations. It has been voted by Chinese media outlets as one of the most beautiful landforms in China. Antelope Canyon. It was formed by the erosion of Navajo sandstone due to flash flooding and other subaerial processes. Rainwater, especially during monsoon season, runs into the extensive basin above the slot canyon sections, picking up speed and sand as it rushes into the narrow passageways. Over time the passageways eroded away, deepening the corridors and smoothing hard edges to form characteristic, flowing, shapes. Auroras. Also known as polar lights, northern lights, southern lights. These are the result of disturbances in the magnetosphere caused by solar wind. These disturbances are sometimes strong enough to alter the trajectories of charged particles in both solar wind and magnetospheric plasma. These particles, mainly electrons and protons. The resulting ionization and excitation of atmospheric constituents emit light of varying color and complexity. A black hole. It is a region of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from it. The supermassive black hole is at the core of supergiant elliptical galaxy Messier 87. Which is 7 billion times the Sun's in mass. Pyramid of Giza. It is one of the most iconic yet mysterious wonders of the world. While the 3 pyramids of the Giza Plateau, known as Cheops, Chephren and Mycerinus, are the most famous in Egypt, more than 130 other pyramids have been discovered scattered around the area of ancient Egypt. The pyramids of Giza were once covered in a white casing made of glimmering limestone which was so polished that it would reflect the sun's rays. Unfortunately, over time the casings have slowly disappeared. Woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoths, such as Manny from the Ice Age animated movie. The now extinct mammoths were roughly the size of modern African elephants, with males reaching heights greater than 11 feet, and weighing in at around 6 tons. Females reached nearly 10 feet at the shoulder, weighed around 4 tons. The last ice age ended about 12,000 years ago, around 9700 BC. It is widely assumed that woolly mammoths must have gone extinct sometime around then. But the interesting fact is, woolly mammoths were still around while the ancient Egyptians were busy building the Great Pyramids. Mankind and its ancestors did share the planet with woolly mammoths for hundreds of thousands of years.